Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials. You are an administrator, and you have the Bitlocker recovery key saved, either in your Microsoft account or on external media. Once done, open Control Panel, choose System and Security, then Bitlocker Drive Encryption. This is the direct path that shows each encrypted volume. Make sure your laptop is plugged in and close major apps so the disk isn't busy. Now, locate the drive you want to turn off and get ready to take the next action. You now disable Bitlocker. Click Turn off Bitlocker next to the drive and confirm the prompt to begin decryption. Windows will queue the operation and start writing unencrypted data. If you prefer command line, open an elevated command prompt and run Manage BDE off C. This does the same thing, but reports progress in text. Make sure to watch the percentage in Control Panel or run Manage BDE status periodically. Don't interrupt power. Decryption time varies by drive size and speed, so be patient. You finish by verifying the drive shows Bitlocker off in Control Panel, and then restart the PC to ensure the system boots cleanly. Once you confirm the drive is unencrypted, remove the recovery key from your Microsoft account if you no longer need it. This prevents confusion later. If decryption stalls, don't panic. Check Manage BDE status to see where it stopped, and if necessary, use Manage BDE Unlock with your recovery key to resume. That key is the single most useful troubleshooting tool.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.